Okay, barrier to written communications. Okay, if the people are not educated, otherwise not competent, level of written material, that is depending on the level how we written the written documents. Maybe presentation, some present, that is the quality of the presentations or information. Quantity, if the written communications quantity is huge, means that people may not be interested to read. Long procedures means long procedures, too much written, something is there, no? Written quantity is high, means people may not be interested. If long procedures means, if you have taken permit and everything with the permit, so much procedures, no? People may not be read. These are the reasons. Attitude. Some people have attitude. No? They don't know that they don't want to read even. Okay. Verbal communications advantage. It's a direct people. It's a verbal communication. No? What we are doing. This is the verbal. It's advantage. What are the advantages in the direct? It's a two-way. I'm telling and I'm asking you. This is a two-way. Okay. Are you getting my video?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's a two-way communication. Okay. What I am saying, I'm also taking opinions with you all the people. It means it's a two-way. It's a quick action. Written means if you give written information to them and we will take feedback, they kept somewhere, they may forget. In verbal means quick. Directly I can ask you, answer immediate, instant. Okay. These are instant feedback. Again, this is the quick and instant feedback. These are both similar. Okay. Easy to do. It's easy to do. Easy to do means it's easy, no? I'm telling you and asking you. It's easy process. It's a flexible. Flexible means verbal communications. Flexible. We can say means flexibly we can talk. Okay. This is a verbal communication. Disadvantage means there is a no record. Verbal communications in meeting, no, outdoor public meetings. Now they are all recording everything. No? There is no record in means. Simply with these four people, group people, if you say something with them, verbal communication, there is no record for them. No? Simply I said, verbally I said, they are telling this, you do this thing, these things like that. There is no, after that, there is no evidence also. Okay, for that. Disadvantage, unstructured, no reference. There is no reference. No? If you written or recorded something means it's a reference. Inconstant message, maybe inconstant message. It's sufficient, maybe message not sufficient for the verbal communication. If you say some, it can be changed. I didn't say like that. Okay, there is a no constant, inconstant means. Too much for memory also. Okay, too much memory means people continually verbally they're saying something like continuously. They means people may not be memorable. If a few things, if I say continually 8 hours means you cannot receive my goods. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Barriers to verbal communication. Hearing, speech defects. If there is a speech defects, these are the barriers. What are the barriers mean? What are the issues for the barrier in the verbal communication? Noise, distance. See, the picture is given me 5 senses: eye, lips, ears, listening, hands and feet, brain thinking about speaker. Like that. Barriers of the verbal communications. In this verbal communication, these are the barriers. There means there is a distance means too much distance. Some in meeting, the verbal communication cannot be reached to the people who are in the back side. Last end row means back bench. School back bench means some people are in back bench. They may not be getting what the teacher is saying. Like that. Lack of knowledge. If the person who is saying he doesn't have knowledge for that what communication is going on, for which topic is going on. Lack of knowledge also, it's a barrier. Okay, attitude, because some people attitude, they want to receive the message, otherwise they will speak with others while doing attitude, different attitudes. Okay, duration, if long duration, as I said, just now, if I giving long experiment, they are also not here. These are the barriers. No, barriers means you understood. No, these are the disadvantages. It's like barriers. Okay. The visual communications, video, computer, visual ads. These are the advantages. You see, constant message and with large group we can give. Visual, if you show the visual communications, see, that's why I know I am showing this some pictures and everything. Why? Because this is visuals. I am showing it to you to remind to touch your senses. Means you see and hear. Means you're receiving too much, much more better. Okay, constant matter, large groups. And disadvantage means some video or computer, I am playing some video, but some people are boring, no feedback, too much for the money, it's a costly. Okay, we'll go for next. Okay, why different methods of communication are necessary? People respond different to different stimuli. See, all people are not like same. Okay, some people have different the physical, medical, different types of capabilities or disabilities are there. Some effective communication, we are using different types of communications. You understand? No? Different type of communications we are using for stimulation, for the to stimulate the speech, whatever, to receiving. How different people, no? Their understandings are different. That's why we are using not only single type methods, not only, we are using different type of methods. Okay, the need to overcome language barriers and inability of some employees to read. Some people may not be read, some people may not be see, some people may not be hear. That's why different people, no, overcome the language barriers. Some people they don't know the generally I'm if I say Telugu means some people cannot be understand. Some in the north people are there. That is a barrier, right? That's why should be common language English. Otherwise, some picturization show to them, everyone can understand. Some situational videos can, if we show to you, everyone can understand. We need the need to motivate, stimulate interest, and gain involvement and feedback. During the communication, we have to motivate. Stimulation means this effectiveness of the communication, interest and gain involvement of the others, and we'll take feedback. Feedback also we can take very different using different communications. No? We can take feedback also. The acceptance, the different types of information require different methods of communication. You see, some type of information, some permits are there. They are giving written information to them. Some information while doing training, here we cannot. Some we have to show them some pictures, videos, or something. So, suppose all the people different languages. Some people may not be know languages. Some people may not be know that language. No? Some people cannot be here. Some people cannot see properly, like that. That's why different. That is a acceptance. Different types of information. That is depending on the information. Require different methods of communication. Understood? No? There is, if you are we have different type of information. We have, if you are giving permits and everything, which type of information we are giving? That's permitly. It's a written information. Some
all evidence provided in PTW.
it's a acceptance the different types of communication, right? Different methods of communication. Suppose we are doing a training to the different people. The multi some Orissa people are also there, and some Mumbai people here and in Andhra people. They are using common language in English with some pictures. Inside in construction activity, in the construction we can see big posters. Everything is there. That type of visual posters. In that, we will in industry we will check either which language we have to post on that, because the majority of the some Orissa people there, we will then Andhra people are more. Means we will provide all the information different languages, 2-3 languages. Even our policy also we are providing Hindi and English, 2 languages. It should be must. The policy will the company policy should be displayed at local language and English also. Okay, different methods. That's all. Communication within the organization. You see, this is the main important in the industry. We are providing communication within the organization. What we'll do? That's why I showed the picture how the discussions are going on, showing the procedures. These are the meetings, team briefings, like that. Meetings means we are conducting meeting, no, in the industry. Procedures and team briefings. Team briefings mean team all will come weekly or daily. That's depending upon the organization. Toolbox talk, as I said, no. What is toolbox talk? Means when any task starting, before starting, we will discuss regarding the task. What should be taken? What are the materials should be there? Who will be arranged? What are the permits required? What are the logout tagouts required? Whatever, everything will we are discuss. Suppose we are 5 people doing some task. These 5 people will discuss toolbox talk before start the task. What are the requirements? Safety people. He said one safety person is there. You do these things, fire extinguishers and everything. You should arrange this. I will arrange like this. Toolbox talk. These are the hazards are there. We have to take care. Where the barriers are required. Barricading is required. Proper action should be there. Like that, we will discuss before starting the task. That is the toolbox talk. It's happened in the industry while doing the task. It's the main thing. It's a to improve the best culture in the industry. Policy procedures. See, policy and procedures. How we will say? We will show the pictures while doing the when the person is entering in the industry. While safety induction we are providing. We are providing safety induction with the visuals and everything, and pictures also will be there in the site. Written communication also is there. Some training. See in training also safety and health reports, health and safety reports, communications, health and safety reports in the written communication. It's posters, as I said, posters in the organization. Because you see in industry, your family is waiting for you. Like that, big poster is there with all languages, because means you should walk safely. Because your family is waiting for you. Okay, you do safely and go back to home safely. That is the meaning. Okay, that the industry is remaining to you that your family is waiting. Means you don't do any mistakes here. That's the meaning of that. Okay. Health and safety notice boards. Information, usually what we are giving, information should include information of employees, regulation poster, information. See in the notice board, health and safety notice board, what should be there? Employees, if new employees come, means there is a new people this week, new people. See this, how many, these are the incident, accidents happen, total accidents happen in this. These are the safe manner. I hope the experienced people know the everything. The project started date like that. Health and safety policy. See, health and safety policy always should be said the that should be available in this safety notice board. Evacuation procedures. Evacuation procedures means there is a chapter for the evacuation. If during any emergency, there is a evacuation plan, emergency evacuation plan. How to react? There is a assemble points and everything is there. We will discuss clearly. There is a separate chapter for that. These should be there in the health and safety notice books. First aid arrangements and first aider number, mobile number. Who is the first aider with photo? Day shift is the so and so first aider is available, and night shift so and so available. And the contacts of the safety representative representative numbers and ambulance numbers. This is not written here. Targets of accident reduction. What are the betterments we are doing to reduction the accidents? We can do this week. We will follow this type of inspection to reduce the accident. These should be there in the safety notice board. Okay. There is a notice board, no? Everywhere. Production side, there are different production wise, no, they have a different notice board. This much we have reached, this much has to be today, this week our production will reach like that. There is a targets to them. Okay. Safety people also be targets. What are the zero accidents? Reduce the accidents, reduce the near misses, reduce the ill health, reduce the ill health rating, reduce the absenteeism. Okay? These are the, as discussed earlier, these are the our targets. Targets of the safety. Not only the safety people, safety is everyone's responsibility. Okay? The posters, no, that's we discussed health and safety notice board posters. Regarding this, advantages of the posters. It's a low cost, flexibility, brevity, and reinforcement. Reinforce verbal instructions are available on that. Message on the notice board. It's a constant. Okay. Involve employees. Involve employees means posters, no, in front of all the posters where we provide their posters. It's nearby where the lunch, where the people taking lunch, restrooms. We are providing, no. The people are going for restrooms, canteens. On that places we have to provide. Practically, they are while they are going, no. Usually they are in work. Their mind is working, no. The concentration on the work. Usually they come for refreshment. They came for restrooms. Usually we kept there while doing some important tasks. At that places we will provide some posters. Disadvantage for that, regularly changed, soil, defaced, maybe they're not out of date, outdated. That defaded means shaded, means due to atmosphere that will be shaded. Over reliance, triviance, and easy way. It's an easy way. Okay, easy way to remove and everything. You see some many posters in the industry. Is anyone? No.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir. No, sir.
Is this? May I know the name there? If you go any industry will provide a notice boards, signages, and everything. It means you are may not be aware. You are not visited any industry. Okay. Safety campaigns. To ensure campaigns are effective, communicated to employees, organizations should have clear aims, objective, and targets. Why safety campaigns should be done? Have a clear aims, objectives and targets. Allocate sufficient funds, time and other resources. Safety campaign means, no, suppose we are campaigning this week in the industry, we will check health campaigning to all the workers. We will check all the workers today. That's the campaigning this week. We are campaigning. 1 week we are campaigning of housekeeping. 1 week they are campaigning for all the fire extinguishers or inspections. Either either is ready to use or any defects are there. These are the safety campaigns they are doing in the industry. Okay, and that should be clear aims, objectives and targets should be there. Allocate sufficient funds, time and other resources also be provided. So total management commitment. Management has to show the commitment, because senior management what they do, we are following the below level, all the staff will follow the same. The management commitment should be strong. Okay, by the name check, if they're doing, no, that's not be effective. Okay, workforce made fully aware by toolbox talk, etc. See, as I have no idea, no? Workforce made fully aware of toolbox talks. Workforce should know that toolbox aware of toolbox talks means, as I said, before doing any task, we have discussed. That is the means we said the toolbox talk, and they will sign on the toolbox talk paper. Everyone who is involved on the task means they are signed, means we are observed what are the hazards involving in that. We are discussed. It means if something wrong means, if you sign on the toolbox talk paper, industry what will happen? Usually they are bypassing. Just simply they are signing on the toolbox talk. They are without toolbox talk. It's also happening. Okay. These are the barriers. No, these are the mistakes also happening in the industries. If something wrong in that, that is the proof. Toolbox talk has done and it's recorded. Everyone signed with name, toolbox talk done. That means everyone, if something wrong, industry will show to the management. Already we have given instructions, toolbox talk has done. Aware of all the hazards within this task, but he did wrong. It's came to human error. If any police case happen, because of some accident happen in that, toolbox talk has given is that all the hazards what are they involved in that, it's happening due to this human error. Usually it's happening in the practically, I'm saying. Okay, it's my practical experience. Okay, clear language in the campaigns should be as per the workers. We will provide that language only. Language also be considered in the campaign. Okay, effective communicated to employees. Organization should have different people. So many other language people are there. If you have talk with in English, they may not be understand. Okay, that's right. According to the staff or workers, we will change the language. That type of person, who the person know the language, we will provide assign that task to him to do the campaigning with them, because they don't understand the local languages. Okay, key responsibilities allocated and accepted. Because of in the campaigns, responsibilities are denied. Okay, it should be accepted. They will do as per their roles and it's like roles and responsibilities. One of his duty before doing any campaigning, we are assigned so and so person. You do this block campaigning to this. I am doing this one. You do this one, like that. Divide to different people for responsibility to do the task. Or the safety people what will do, the safety campaigns also like that, the responsibility. Okay, feedback to ensure employees understanding. We will take the feedback if employees are understanding or not. Okay, They will take feedback. After communication, no? Any meetings and everything, what in industry, what will happen? If suppose there is an industry, there is a meetings, whatever it happening in there, everything they are signed, agreed. So and so date, meeting, one taking one photo, there will be a presentation, we'll make a presentation. We have only 10 minutes time. And we take all the signatures and feedback also. Okay. We have 10 minutes for more. These are the safety gaps. Apart from lack of the poor communication, other factors that can affect campaigns include, see, if there is no proper communication, see, in the safety campaigns, apart from lack of poor communication, other factors that can affect campaigning include lack of management commitment, means lack of management. But the name shake, if they're doing the by the name shake, they are regarding. Suppose we are providing some campaigning. Manager said, why you are doing all those things now unnecessarily without production? Safety people know that. Why unnecessarily you are wasting time with doing these campaigns, health campaigns, whatever, housekeeping campaigns, it is expensive for us. There is by the name check they are doing. The manager, there is no proper communication. Devendra,
Yes, sir.
you understood now?
Yes, sir.
If there is no lack
Yes,
of
sir.
commitment, mean what will happen? Management commitment.
बिल्कुल सर, जनाब हम लोग कैंपेन ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं तो मैनेजमेंट बहुत ज्यादा ऑब्जेक्शन उठाते हैं कि
See,
हमारा काम सफर हो रहा है, आप लोग का नाम है टाइम खराब कर रहे हो हमारा और इतना टाइम खींच लेंगे। बहुत मतलब फिर भी काफी लड़ने के बाद हम लोग कैंपेन अभी हमने प्रेजेंट में अभी HIV एड्स अवेयरनेस के लिए हमने और हमने वैक्सीनेशन के लिए भी कैंपेन ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, तो काफी फाइट करनी।
See what Devendra said. Bharadwaj said, is practical experience. He is the safety guy working. This is lack of management commitment. Management commitment. See why you are wasting your time in safety. Some companies, they are most effectively they do. UK companies, some Indian companies also there. Like that should be the commitment of the management. Okay, after maybe 8-7 minutes only we have remaining. See, and production and other pressures take priority. As I said, now they have some production disturbances. We don't want to contain this safety campaign. Things like that. Production or other pressures take priority. Then other pressures means production. Any other related regarding work pressures. They are deviating. Okay, these are the factors. Insufficient time and funds made available. Sufficient fund, if there is no sufficient, suppose we have to provide and announce and everything for medical care. As a manager, we will discuss with either safety manager or admin manager. We will go to bring doctor and everything. We need some funds. We are planning, but we don't have sufficient funds, means, but we cannot safety camp. We cannot do. If there is a sufficient fund given by management, then only we will do. Poor working conditions, creating lack of interest. Working conditions are not good, creating lack of interest. There is people maybe not interested. Poor industrial relations. There is no industrial relations. They are not maintaining. Okay. Work patterns, some selections not involved. Some people, some selections are not involved. Means some work patterns people, they are not involved on the campaigns. These are the factors that can be campaignings included. Okay, we will stop with this because tomorrow we will discuss. It's too long because there is no time. It's like 6-7 minutes only we have. See, I will just tell you about training. Why I said already this is regarding training. When the person joining in the training, no induction, safety induction, they give. What are the things in the safety induction? What is our company policy? What are the PPE should be used? What are the emergency numbers? What are the specific hazards in the industry? What type of the during emergency, what we evacuations plans? Where fire extinguishers provided? How the communication should be? If something happened, how to communicate? In any accidents happen like this? Trainings, induction, safety induction. So many things are there. How to communicate? Okay. I will tell you what is the induction. That separate part will come during the trainings. What is the when joining with new industry means they will give the common induction. It's a every induction for the safety induction for the, it's common for everyone. And before starting job specified training. Suppose welder, fabricator, some doing office admin person, otherwise any maintenance people. After induction is the common one. Anyone coming to the industry, it's a common any trade, whatever. Okay, these are the common. Next, before starting the work, job specific training means what related job he is doing. That job specific training also be done to be given by the organization. Okay, then refresher training with regular intervals every 6 months. Some type of the maximum some scaffolding training, whatever, because depending upon his profession, regular refreshment training 6 months. We have to provide intervals. Okay, whenever work practice changes, see, work practice change. If changes any, we came we bring new machinery now, because earlier we are working with old machinery. Now we are working with new machinery. Now, about the new machinery, there is advantages, safety features, whatever, high productions, high key, different keys, everything. Whatever, it should be given to the training has to be given. It should be updated. New technology, revision of system of work. We have to update it as per the when pattern change, when work practice, when machinery change, when material, whatever. Okay, understood? No. Before moving to new job. Suppose we have, suppose one person is working in some fabrication section. He had an experience with that. Suppose suddenly he is changing, changing his to other section. He doesn't have experience with that. At that time he cannot do properly. He may do. He do other mistakes. That's why training is required. Okay, he's doing some one unit. That activity is different to the other unit. Suppose he is transferred to that unit, means he doesn't have an idea regarding that. Then a person should be trained before moving to the new job. Okay, you understood? No, why training is. These are the type of training commonly in the industry. What, Bharadwaj? You are conducting any training? Trainings to the workers? Hello? Are you getting my screen properly, or with this any disturbance are there? Something which trainings, you understood, no? What is it? What type of training in the industries? ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తారు, తర్వాత జాబ్ స్పెసిఫిక్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తారు, తర్వాత రెగ్యులర్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఇచ్చి రిఫ్రెష్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తారు 6 months. దాని వర్క్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ ఏదైనా చేంజ్ అయిందంటే మళ్ళీ దాన్ని అప్డేట్ చేయాలి, దాని అందరికీ చెప్పాలి, కమ్యూనికేట్ చేయాలి ప్రాపర్ గా. దట్స్ ఆల్సో ట్రైనింగ్ బిఫోర్ మూవింగ్ ద న్యూ జాబ్ ఆర్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్, ఎనీథింగ్. ఓకే, ఎనీ డౌట్స్?
No, sir.
Any doubts regarding? We have a few time, that's why I don't want to discuss. The induction in the next we will discuss induction training is important to number of reasons. We'll discuss tomorrow. I don't know. Time, we don't have that much of time.
Okay, sir.
Any doubts? No, you just ask me.